Oh my God. It's weird. I'm still not quite used to having 35s on this thing. So today, and I'm sorry for the road noise and stuff, but I live in Vernonia and it's kind of like logging country over here. What I'm gonna work on, I want to at least get this mounted. This is my Cobra LTD 29 Classic. This is just a 4-watt one. It's not heavily modified or anything. Got it for 30 bucks on eBay, and what was wrong with it was the night watch deal was burnt out. So I put a new bulb in. Seems to be working. Did this like a year ago, and just, you know, I put the antenna and cable and everything in. I mean, I got the cable right here. I just got to install this part of it. Just procrastinated quite a bit, but now I want it in my truck. I need to get it installed, and I'm trying to figure out a good spot for it, and it's definitely going to be down here somewhere. It'll probably be like that. Yeah, I'm putting it down there. So I did it real easy peasy jobber here. So I tapped into, I reused the screw that was right here, secured that, and then right here I screwed into the corner of the cigarette lighter thing, and I used a self tapper and a 5/16 driver with a right angle. Doodad did the job. Let's make I paid 200 bucks for this and the damn battery. So I got that secured in there. That's actually fairly sturdy. So now we just gotta put this in the bracket, screw it down, and then recheck our shifter clearances. I think it's fine. That's where I was test fitting it just a second ago. These screws I don't think are really meant for these holes in here. We're just gonna send it. Kind of move it where we want. So basically 1, 3, and 5 don't go any higher, so I could have it like that. I can get to everything. Most likely when I'm going to use this, I'm going to be stopped, so I'll be in neutral, so I can get to everything perfectly. So now let's hook up the antenna, and now this is, I know this is going here. This cable here, it's coming up through the shifter hole for the 4-wheel drive. Okay, the problem is that I have to get this thing started and then thread it on. Frickin' A, guys. Jimmy got himself a CB. Let's see, okay, we're off. I gotta plug that right into there. So this is the mic that came with this CB unit, and it's a Trucker Series microphone. It feels kind of chintzy, to be honest. So if anybody has a recommendation for a really good CB mic, I would appreciate it, because I will upgrade to it. So I'm thinking this is gonna sit here. Let's say we're cruising on the highway. Not right there, I want it right here. Hey, there we go. Okay, it's normal. That's right. Okay, so we're on the stick, so signal's pretty crappy, or either that, I need to get a bigger antenna. I decided to mount it here instead of going here because this piece I can fix up, manipulate and whatnot. So decided to go the route that I'm going now. We're good, and it's just like that. We're still clear of things, and we're just like, roger that, motherfucker. I was thinking about taking this bracket right here and actually taking it to the bench and bending it back so that way this will be facing that way instead of down. I think I'm gonna, oh shit, I had to drop it. I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera, but for right now, we're ending it here. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time. See ya!